Morning, welcome to Carter and Haynes, or afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. This is our Ford Kuga 2.0 Titanium, finished in blue. It's a really nice car, this. That's why we thought we'd have a go with it. It's the four-wheel drive, and it is the automatic version. And we have some side steps. Little mark on the bumper there, very small, as you'd expect for the year and the miles. It's a really in nice condition, this car. Got the rear privacy glass, nice alloys. Got the old twin exhaust at the back here, look cool. Inside, the seats in the rear are extremely clean. It's not been abused, this car. The interior. There you have. There we go. Obviously the full specification of the car will be on the advert as always. 39,337 miles. Only 2 pedals, so no manual here. There we go. It's a really nice example. So we do offer finance. We take Part X's. If you go to www.carterandhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.